Hello everyone. In this session, we will be going to talk about the symbol map in Tableau. A symbol map is a dynamic data visualization that uses various symbols or markers to represent the geographical data points on a map. It's an excellent tool for displaying the location-based information and patterns, which makes it easier to understand the spatial relationship within your data. In a symbol map, each data point is represented by a symbol such as circles, squares, or custom icons, which are placed on the map and its corresponding geographical coordinates. The size, color, or shape of these symbols can be customized to convey the additional information, like the magnitude or category of the data. During our practical demonstration in Tableau, we will explore how to create the symbol maps to visualize the geographical data effectively, and you will also learn how to map the dimensions to latitudes and longitudes, assign the measures to control the symbol characteristics, and apply the filters to focus on a specific regions or data subset. Whether you are analyzing the sales location, tracking the disease outbreak, or plotting the customer location, symbol maps help you uncover the geographical insights and tell the data comparing stories. Now, let's go to the Tableau screen and see how we can create these symbol maps. I'm in my Tableau screen, and to work with the symbol maps, we would be requiring a geographical location. Now, how to identify which particular dimension or measure is consisting of that geographical location? It is very simple. You can see a globe icon in the front of this city and country. That means they are a geographical location. It is also appearing in front of postal codes, state, and latitudes and longitudes. These latitudes and longitudes are in measures, and these are automatically generated while we are like importing any kind of data and it is geographical values. To create a symbol map, I can go in the show me menu and I can see the minimum requirement for it is one geographical location, zero or more dimensions, and 0 to 2 measures. So let's create a symbol map. For that, I double click on states. Whatever states are there in the data, it would be identified based on the country they belong. If it is not able to identify, you will see the value over here. Right now, I have these 96 unknown values. If I click on it, and go in the edit locations, you can see there are multiple states for which it is not able to identify the matching location. If you want to do it manually, what you can do is you can click over here and type in any kind of data. For example, this state is belonging to any country, you can type in the country's name over here and try to fix the value. And if it is showing you a specific location over here, so you can click on the country region and here you can see there is this fixed option. So if it is showing you any fixed location, that means it is giving you the results for any fixed country. To fix that, you can click on none. Or if you want to apply any filter, you can click on this fixed option and you can choose the desired country. But it would try to match all the state names to that country, which is not because there are multiple states all around the globe and it is being matched to a single country, whatever country in the list it is present. So that is not true. So for that, what we'll do is we'll click on none and click on OK. Now to filter your data, what you can do is you can drag this country option to the filters. This would give you the list of the whole countries present in the data. And here you can choose the desired country. For now, I'm going with India. I'll check on India, click on apply and OK. And you can see now only that part is highlighted. To change this map in the symbol map, what I can do is I can drag and drop any measure. For now, I want to see the sales, and based on that sales, I can drag this into the size. Now, the size of these bubbles or the symbols have been changed according to the sales they are making in that specific state. On the right hand side, you can see there is a legend present which is showing me that the least sale which is being done is 492 and the highest sale which is being done is the 1 lakh 1322. Now, let's say if you want to change the symbol or if you want to increase or decrease the size of it, you can go in the size option and you can try to increase the size. Every symbol's size would be increased based on whatever is the lowest amount, its size would be also increased and the relative size of the other symbols would be also increasing. So you can increase or decrease the size from this size option. If you want to change the shape of this particular symbol, what you can do is over here in the marks card, there is this automatic option. You can go in the automatic option and you can choose the shape option. Then click on the shape option and you will see the multiple shapes that are available over. You can choose any desired shape from the list. After choosing your desired shape, if you want to change the color of this particular shape, you can go in the colors option and you can choose any color based on your name. If you're not able to find the particular color, you can go in the move colors option and you can choose the RGB coordinates over here and the desired color would be up there. So if I put my red coordinate to say 100, green coordinate to 125 and blue coordinate to 180, I would get this color. I can click on apply and this would apply the color. If you want to customize these shapes also, again, you can go in the shape option and there is an option of more shapes. You can go in more shapes and here you will find a list of all the available shapes. Over here, let's say I am working with a weather data. For that, I can click on weather data and it will show you all the shapes which are related to weather, from the sun to the cloud, the rains and umbrella. I can choose this symbol, click on apply and OK, and it would give me this symbol on my symbol. Now I can easily tell which area has what amount of rainfall with the help of this kind of symbol. Let's say right now I'm working on sales data. For this, I want to show the sales. So I can again go in the shape option, click on more shapes. Over here, I can choose this thin arrows and I can choose this arrow. Let's say I want to say the increase sales or decrease sales. So as I click on this arrow, it would appear in the top of every state. Now, since this sales is showing with the help of every region, now I can track the sales in the colors also. And over here, I can assign different colors to different type of symbols. For now, different shades are available. The lighter the shade, the less is the sales. The darker the shade, the more will be the sales. So I can again go in the colors where I can choose edit colors, and instead of the automatic, I can choose the red and green palette. I can see the red, green, white diverging palette from over here, which generally means that the red the color, the lowest is the sales, and the green the color, the highest is the sales. So over here I would be then easier to identify that which area is making the highest sales. I can increase the size of this particular symbol and you can see now the region which is showing the greenest icon, that means it is having the maximum of sales in that region. So this was one of the way to create a symbol map. And over this symbol map, you can see I can try to create different kind of shapes. I can add different colors. I can increase or decrease the size. And for the labels, I'm having this legend which is showing me the labels for that corresponding sales. If you want to turn on the labels again, you can go on the labels option. You can choose the show marks label option, and this would help you to see the labels on the screen itself. Then there is no need to refer this legend. So you can remove this legend by the help of this arrow. You can click on this arrow and you can choose hide card option. Now, since these values are showing, I can now see the values which are the approximate values for this specific sales for each region. I no longer need to refer the legend, which was giving me a rough idea of that particular sales. So in this way, you can try to create the symbol maps and you can apply various formatting options on the top of it. If you want to change the background or if you want to change the map type, that is also possible. You can go in the map option. Over here, you have this option of background maps. You can choose the light option, the normal option, the dark options are also available, and this would be shown in the dark mode. Now the colors are easily visible. You can also choose to show the satellite maps if you wish. So this would take a bit time to load because satellite maps are huge to load, and then it would show you all the images in the satellite view. So this was all for the symbol map. In the next session, we will be talking about the field map where we will look at how to create these kind of maps with the help of field regions. Thank you.